Good day, everyone. I'm Ms. Grace C. Barroso from Jansa National Comprehensive High School. I'm here to present my research paper entitled Video Learning Add-Ons for Gen Z, Vlag, an intervention for modular learning of Mathematics 9. For rationale, global problems arise as the world faces a pandemic that ruins not only the economy but the educational system. The solution that was chosen by some schools is the distance learning. Based on the social learning theory of Bandura, most human behavior is learned observationally through modeling. That is why a supplementary video material will be used as an intervention for the modular learners of Mathematics 9. A study of Delgado, Salmeron, and Sampietro in 2020 showed that the students' learning was dependent on the video rather than what they see on text. But this was contrasted by the study of Devaney in 2009, who showed some students' comments on how they didn't choose to watch the supplementary materials since they already understand the printed materials. Here are the action research questions for this study. This research is a pre-experimental research design. It is a one-group pre-test post-test design. The participants of the study was chosen using fishbowl technique. To monitor their view of the video, the researcher used the edpuzzle.com. The students were given pre-test before the intervention. Then Vlag was given. And finally, a post-test was given to the participants. For the data analysis, the researcher used the paired sampled t-test. For the results of the study, there are 39 observed individuals, which was given 34-item examination. The pretest has a mean of 17.64 with a standard deviation of 4.98. For the post-test, the mean is 22.79 and a standard deviation of 3.81. For the result of the paired sample t-test, the computed t-value is negative 6.92, which is on the rejected region. That is why the null hypothesis was rejected and the interpretation is significant. Therefore, Vlag improve the performance of the modular learners in Mathematics 9. Therefore, there should be more videos created for the modular learners of Mathematics 9 from the whole school year. Then, the results should be disseminated for whole the mathematics teachers and the expansion of Vlag, not only for the pandemic but also during the face-to-face learning. And here are the references for this study. That's all. Thank you and God bless everyone.